Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is March 17 and we are looking the chart of GDX, gold miners ETF 30 minutes time frame. So we can see right here we are currently calling this pullback within a C leg of a zigzag. Okay, and the C, as you know, subdivides into a 5 waves. And there is still a chance for GDX to continue to go down, and I will explain to you why, as long as we stay below 105.74. So we do have a lower low sequence here, but it doesn't mean it is bearish. It's actually in the larger time frame still remains bullish, as you know, but the lower time frame, unless it truncates, there is a possibility of extension to the downside. So let me zoom out to the daily time frame to give you some ideas where we are. We're going to be focusing on the A and the B here, which is the zigzag here. Okay, on the daily time frame, so this is the all-time high in the GDX, and we got this A and the B right here, which is the same location we saw earlier in the 30 minutes time frame. So we can see we got a lower low from this peak, and the C leg still, unless it truncates, it still has a chance to extend lower into this area, the 100% extension level, which is 84.60, 71.60. Now, if we assume we can go down all the way to this area, then I believe this one will be a pretty strong support, since the right side still remains bullish. We just recently made an all-time high here, and structure looks incomplete on the upside. You can see it's very impulsive here. So this area most likely still can see support if we reach here, and then we can either go to new high from here, or we can rally in 3 waves, right? At least in 3 waves before going down again, if this is going to be doing a bigger double correction WXY. Okay, so that's why in the meantime, until we reach 84.50, we still cannot rule out for the downside in the GDX, and therefore the rally can continue to fail up below 105.70 for the downside into this support zone 84.70, 71.60. all right, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.